Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we're going to be doing inversions-ish. Okay, what I mean by this is we're just going to get comfortable walking on our hands, or just get comfortable using these things on the floor with ourselves. Okay, basically. So the first thing I want you all to do is we're going to warm up the wrists. Okay, and we're going to do this while we're sitting in Malasana. We're going to go and sit in Malasana. Oh, I think my bones cracked. Okay, and we're going to just sit forward. Now, as you sit forward, just stay here. Feel comfortable. You're going to stay 10. Just prep a little bit. 9, 8, keep breathing. 7, 6, again, heels off, it's no problem. Get something under this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and you're going to come forward. Now, as you come forward, you're going to take your hands and you're going to rotate to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to take your hands, bend. As you bend, you're going to make figures of 8. Now, the idea why we are sitting in Malasana is so that your hips get warm, okay? Because whenever you do any inversion, you need to make sure you have strong hips. You're going to reverse the opposite side. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. You're going to take your hands. Now, as you take your hands on the floor, we're going to come down and we're going to sit over here, okay? Now, as you take, you're going to take your fingers, press your fingers into the floor. Now, as you press your fingers, you want to push and relax. Push and relax. It's exactly like you're going to be doing finger push-ups. Push and relax. Push and relax. 2 more. Push and relax. Push and relax. From there, you're going to come forward, okay? As you come forward, you're going to take your palms inwards, both the palms inwards. Inhale. Exhale, you're going to sit down. You do not want the palms to come off the floor. You want it to be there. And you want to try and get your glute on the floor as much as you can. Stay 5. Breathe 4. 3, 2, 1, you come back up. You're going to take your same hand inwards. Again, you want before, remember, inhale, exhaling, go back. 2, 3. You have to remember before you do any sort of inversion or getting onto your hands, you need to make sure your wrist is warm. 2, 1, you come back up, okay? So we're just going to shake out your wrist. Shake it out, shake it out. Let, it feels so nice. I know you just look like a weird person shaking your hands, but it really feels nice. Breathe. 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay. From here, what we're going to do now is we're going to start off with jumping a little bit. It's baby frog steps, okay? This is what we can do. There are many variations that you can do. There'll be 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3. The first level is going to be the simplest. So I know the idea and the reason why everyone gets so scared of inversions is because you feel fearful. You feel like you're going to fall, break your head, break some part of your body, okay? Nothing's going to happen because we're going to take it step by step. So we're going to start with, you're just going to come forward a little bit, okay? So you're just going to take your hands, remember, same Malasana position, you're going to take your hands and you're going to come 1 and down. Did you see it was only an inch off the floor? Inhale, exhale, you go up. 1 and down, that's it. 2 and down, can you see? 3 and down, just 1 inch off the floor. 4 and down. 5, 6, you will realize that it's not only your hands and shoulders which is going to work, it's also your legs. 7 is burning right now. Breathe. 8, 9, 10. Relax. Breathe. Okay, come back in Malasana. You're going to relax. This is your position to relax. 3, your second level. 2, 1. You're going to come slightly up and off the floor. Okay, inhale, exhale. So you're going to come up a little bit. So your feet, if you can only do the first level, stay there, okay? Your second level is you're going to come up 1 and down. Did you see my leg was slightly more up? My hip was slightly more forward. So inhale, exhale, up and down. That's it. 10 of these. 2 and down. 3 and down. You want to keep looking forward in the middle of your hands. 4 and down. 5 and down. 6 and down. If it's too intense, go the level behind. 7 and 8 and 9 and last one, 10, and then you're going to take your legs forward. Oh, it's burning. Okay, so now you're going to shake out your legs. Now what you want to remember is you want to use your full palms. Do not only use the base of the palm, use your fingertips as well and press into your fingers. Okay, this looks extremely wrong, but this is what you want to do. Inhale, exhale, your third level. I know it may seem a little too much. If it is, do the first two. Get comfortable with your hands and then progress up to the third level. Okay, inhale, exhale. We're still in Malasana. Inhale, exhale. You're going to come 1 and down, 2 and down, 3 and down. Make sure there is energy coming from your feet as well. 4 and down, 5 and down, 6 and down. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. 7 and down, 8 and I'm starting to get a little tired now. 8, 9 and down. Last one, if you can hold it for maybe 2 seconds, try and hold it. Okay, this is how you advance. Inhale, exhale, up, hold. 1, 2, come down. Get your legs, stretch your legs forward. Yeah, a little bit. Again, once you start getting comfortable, it'll get better. From here, we're going to start traveling to the sides. Okay, so we just did a hop forward. We're going to do side. Again, 3 levels. First level, feet very close on the floor. Okay, second level, you're going to go the other side, right? Slightly up. Yeah, your third level, you're going to go all the way up and down. We're going to do the other side as well. First level, just tap. Second level, come up slightly. Your third level, you want to get all the way up. Inhale, exhale, up and down. Okay, choose whichever level you're comfortable with, and with that, take that. Okay, we're just going to do 5 on one side, 5 the other side. That's all. Breathe. Again, choose 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Inhale, exhale, come down. Go. 1, 2. Try and get your feet together. 3, 4, 5. As you can see, we are sitting in Malasana. We come the other side. Inhale, exhale. 5, 4. Tap your feet together. That was 2, right? I guess so. Okay, now 2. If not, we do 1 extra. 1. Come down again. Take your legs. Stretch your legs forward. We're going to do the same thing. Coming forward and back. I know it looks a little crazy, but it's actually just, you want to remember, have fun with it. That's it. If you're not going to have fun, it's not going to, you're going to feel like it's work. You don't want it to be work. Okay? Inhale. So think of yourself as a child playing, or a monkey. I think of myself as the monkey always. Inhale, exhale, forward. Boom. That's it. 5 forward. 2. If you feel this is the first level, just come up. If you feel this is okay, come up a little bit more. 5. Up and down. We're going to go back. Are you feeling your legs burn? It's burning like hell right now. Inhale, exhale up. 1 and back. 2 and back. 3 and back. 4 and back. Last one. 5 and stay forward. Relax. Take your hands, fold it forward, and you're going to stay here. Release, let go. Straight hand. Breathe. 9. If you want, you can move your hands forward. 8, 7, 6. Take the weight forward. 5. If you feel too much pressure on your hamstrings, the muscle at the back of your legs, you can bend your knees slightly. 3, 2, okay, 1. You're going to come forward. Now, as you come forward, you're going to drop it down. You're going to come, get your hands next to your shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, lift up. roll the shoulders back. So your humerus is coming forward. Okay, breathe. Stay 5. Try and drop your pelvis down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. As you come back, take hands forward. Drop. Chest onto the floor. You're stretching out your thoracic. Stay 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come forward. As you come forward, relax. As you relax, take the right hand, left. Twist. Stay 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just bend one leg, get it over. Stay 5. With your right hand, you want to push opposite side. 3, 2, 1. Come back. Then exhale, push. As you push, stay feet on top of each other. Stay 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the leg. Push. Stay 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. And rotate. I'm going to just stretch out the spine one last time. Inhale, take your hands up. Paschimottanasana. Exhale, bend forward. As you bend forward, wherever you're comfortable, if you're here, even if you're here, it doesn't matter, okay? You're going to try and lengthen out the spine as much as you can. Stay 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. And come back. We're going to do one last wrist stretch. Take your hands. 3, 2, 1. Other side. 2, 1. From here, down. Press. 3, 2, 1. Down. 3, 2, 1. You want to reverse. Palm facing down. Push. You don't want to get your fingers down. You want to try and get where your knuckles are. Push the knuckles as much as you can. 3. Breathe. 2, 1. Change. 3, 2, 1. Relax. So yeah, this is going to be, let me know how you feel in the comment section below, and there are going to be a lot of this. This is just one starting of how you can get into your handstands and inversions so that you get comfortable on your hands. I'm going to try and stop doing this now, but yeah, till I see you next time, practice daily, stay safe, stay humble.